caterpillar bye bye. अरे caterpillar तो I love you बन गया. It's done. Ding dong ding dong. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a project on life cycle of butterfly. So in a butterfly life cycle, the first stage is a tiny little egg. Second stage is wiggly wiggly caterpillar. The third stage is the pupa, the resting place of the caterpillar and where it goes through many changes. The fourth stage is my favorite stage, where the pretty and beautiful butterfly comes out. Now I will make a DIY model of this butterfly life cycle. So let's start. First stage is egg. For that we need scissors to cut, a pen to draw leaves, a green foam sheet or you can use green paper, and white pearls or you can use anything else to make the egg. Let's make the leaf. I will give some detailing and outline. I have done it. Let's take the pearl. Stick, stick, and stick. Wow, they look so cute. The second stage is the caterpillar. We need a scissors to cut, a pen to draw the leaf, green foam sheet or green paper, modeling clay to make the caterpillar, and glue to stick the caterpillar on the leaf. As we know, the caterpillar feeds on leaves. So this time I will make a leaf that is a little bit eaten by the caterpillar. Let's cut it. Now it looks like an eaten leaf. To make caterpillar, I am using three colors, red, orange and yellow. I will make small balls with these and then stick them together and make a caterpillar. Assembled it like this. Let's put the antennas. Oh. Stick it using glue. It looks more like an alien. Friends, मुझे तो ये कैटरपिलर कम पर एलियन ज्यादा लग रहा है, पर आई डोंट केयर. ये कैटरपिलर हो या एलियन हो, मुझे ये क्यूट बहुत ज्यादा लग रहा है. क्यूट कैटरपिलर. ओके कैटरपिलर बाय बाय. अरे कैटरपिलर तो I love you बन गया. The third stage is the pupa. For that we need glue, a twig. ये थोड़ी पुरानी थी तो मैंने इसको चॉकलेट में डाल दिया. सॉरी चॉकलेट नहीं, ब्राउन कलर में डाल दिया. पट्टी. We also need पट्टी and cotton. को मैंने थोड़ा ओवल शेप में कर दिया है. And by using this putty, I will wrap the cotton around it like this. Now I will wrap a white thread around the pupa. Now let's take the pupa on the twig. Stick it. Ta-da! The pupa is done. Ding dong ding dong ding dong. Now for the fourth stage and my favorite stage, the adult stage, where the pupa cracks and a pretty butterfly comes out. To show the fourth stage, I will make a flower and a butterfly is sitting on it. So first let's make a flower, and to make the flower, I'll use a pink foam sheet or you can use pink paper. Let's draw the flower. So these are the two layers of the flower. I made some detailing using sketch pen like this. Now let's stick them together. Okay, they are sticked. Now I will stick some colored beads in the middle. Look, it's done.